project is basically plus minus 800 kV, 6000 megawatt, multi-terminal HVDC stations. This is the Agra station. Why it is multi-terminal? Because it is having 3 stations. These are world first multi-terminal HVDC stations and 800 kV first time in India. So out of these 3 stations, this one station in Assam, Bishwanath Chareli. Second station in Alipurduar, West Bengal. Third station in Agra. So this station is made for transporting power from northeast and Bhutan to northern grid. So BHEL and ABB Sweden combinedly they have designed, supplied this equipment and commissioned. Out of these 3 stations, civil installation, all work was done by Transmission Business Group BHEL at Agra, and others 2 stations was done by ABB Sweden. So this station basically we have started in work in 2012. It is having 4 pole. So 4 pole for bipole 1, commissioned bipole 1 in November 2016, and bipole 2 we have commissioned in September 2017.
PowerGrid has a long association with BHEL, and BHEL being a Maharatna has been involved from last 20 years in the field of HVDC in India. The first HVDC project, Rehan Dadri, was also commissioned by BHEL, followed by Balia Vivadi in the year of 2010. Now this was the largest project by PowerGrid in field of HVDC that has been executed by BHEL. The entire complete station of HVDC Agra, including civil works, electrical works, installation works and commissioning has been done by BHEL. We as a PowerGrid family are very well impressed by the team of BHEL who tirelessly dedicated their day and night to achieve the timely completion of the project. This is world's first multi-terminal HVDC with a huge giant indoor DC hall with a dimension of 77 meter by 77 meter with the height of 38 meter. It was a marvelous civil building. It is like a big football ground which is not having any supporting structures. That has been designed by BHEL and has been executed by BHEL. If you will see in civil point of view, it's a marvelous project. We have timely commissioned it. Or we can say that we have actually inverter was always ready before the rectifier. So it was the all team efforts between PowerGrid, BHEL and ABB to achieve this project.
For constructing this station, this is having some salient very good features. First time in the world, we have constructed one DC hall. So DC hall is the first of its kind in the world, and it is having the indoor DC equipment. So this was basically pre-engineering building, and this was design and installation, all this done by BHEL. And for during construction, we have employed around 200 people, and they are working day and night. And for this commissioning, all this activity, we had to lot of struggling was there. In spite of that, now we have got all this TOC from the customer. Now it is all the 4 pole is working without any trouble. Commercial utilization is there. For this northern region, we are having the power starved area. This area power stations are less, but we are having ongoing project and future coming up some projects are there. This is mainly from bringing power from far, very long distance. This is from Bhutan, where a lot of hydel power work we are doing. Then northeast also. From there this power is being transported here. If this total distance of the DC line is around 1700 kilometer. For AC line, it is impossible we can bring it here. So that's why this DC line was the important things. During this project execution, we have technological collaboration with ABB Sweden. So for this, majority of the converter transformer was manufactured by our Bhopal, BHEL Bhopal unit. Then 33 kV GIS also we have given here. These are our own product. This is a power grid we have given first time. Is working very nicely. After that also some DC side CT also we have manufactured our own manufacturing area. Then lot of capacitor bank, this capacitor, all these our own in-house manufacturing facility. And then this is a gigantic project for execution and other things. We have got very good experience. Now we have got now very good team who can now take up any big job. See now, basically in UP, big power stations are very less, and not only UP, it is basically NCR, Delhi, and your other northern state. Then this from here it is power going to even Rajasthan also. For 6000 megawatt power is a massive power, and that too also we are bringing this mainly. It is being made for your hydel power. So this is environmental also is a. For point of view, it is very important things.
All the working staff from the engineers to the top management, they were working in close coordination, close integration and close proximity. Even though I would like to say that the design department, the commercial department and the execution department at site, they were also in close proximity. All the design documents were received at time. We have executed, we have discussed the things. And many a times if we found some discrepancies in the design documents, we have sorted out at site. Our engineers has discussed all the issues, and then the drawings have been revised before the execution. So the execution has been done at site in mutual consultation considering the TS. So it was a very well close coordination, and timely completion of the project was essential, so that a close coordination was really helped for timely completion of project. Besides this, you can say that in the civil point of view, BHEL has adapted the new state-of-art technologies to construct the giant 4 number of valve holes and DC hole, and including the largest AC switchyard in the Agra. One more thing I would like to state that in the construction time of 4 to 5 years, there have been no fatal accident. The site has been absolutely accident-free. So it's a proud moment for BHEL and Power Grid. With BHEL actually we would like to work together in future also. Recently the new 800 kV 6000 megawatt Raigarh-Pugalur project has been awarded to BHEL, wherein BHEL is having a 50% supply equipments and the design and in-house design and engineering of valves and other critical equipments, which till date was we were dependent on the foreign customers. But right now with the state-of-art technology and the technology transfer, all the converter transformers, thyristor valves and other control and protection equipments are in-house being developed by BHEL. That will really support our Prime Minister's motto, the Make in India concept. The BHEL is making those things very true. So we hope that Power Grid will always work in close association with BHEL in future also.